Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide
for Chevy GMC's 2011 to 2018 Silverado and Sierra 2500 HD.
Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Lift up or remove your vehicle's cab. Remove your cab mount's bolt and bushing. Cut off the factory center cab mount and any obstructions in the work area. Then, prime the frame for your rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Take your replacement center cab mount and hold it up to the frame using the factory part silhouette to help with the alignment. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your center cab mount onto the frame before welding it on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend a Rustbuster rust converter and primer spray paint. Reinstall your cab mount's bolt, bushing, and cab. Then you're done.